mauti, sitahofu, maana wewe unami.
The Bible in Psalms chapter 33 and verse 1 says, "Sing joyfully to the Lord, you righteous, because it is fitting for the upright to praise the King of Kings," that is Jesus. We welcome you to join us on the 11th of September 2022, where we shall be ministering at NCCBahati. Together with the church, we shall lift up a praise like no other to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. It will be such a delight for us to be able to worship together with you in all their Sunday services. If I were you, I wouldn't want to miss this. So we welcome you, and as sounds of worship will be so delighted to lift up praise to the King of Kings. So see you there on the 11th of September. Don't miss.
Nitakaa nyumbani mwako siku zote za maisha yangu.
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 Mimi nitaimba uzuri wako Yesu.
Nitaimba uzuri wako.
Tena nitaimba uzuri wako Yesu.
Nitaimba uzuri wako.
Hallelujah.